To engage with TRG Direct, there's a couple of different ways we can do that. If you're looking at becoming a direct filing customer down the line, you can do your consumption entry for only $20 flat fee per entry. Very nice. That includes any amendments, changes, retransmissions, startup fee of $2,000 for on-site training. We've got a lot of activity and a lot of requests for ISF only for our application, so we do make that available as well. If you're a direct filer, it's only $3 flat fee per ISF, and that's for all of your ISFs, even if you're only doing 70 or 80% of your customs entries with us. We make available that pricing for all of your ISFs. A little bit more fixed data set, a little bit easier to do. If you want to engage us on an ISF-only basis, we make that very easy as well. One low $5 flat fee per entry there, and there's no startup fee or maintenance fee or training fee. So we make it real easy to get started with TRG Direct on an ISF-only basis, and what we found is a lot of people who get online, bring this in-house, they find that, hey, it's not so difficult to do this after all. And if we bring this in-house, then we can take a look at our consumption entries in the future. One of the things that has worked out very well for us is we've got monthly user groups, and our user groups are literally our customer base who gets online. We give some industry overview and some tidbits that we have from our sources, any updates. It's been rather ISF-oriented lately for obvious reasons, but you also get a chance to hear questions and hear best practices from other customers in the group. So it's been very popular, and it's also helped us continue to enhance the application. We get a lot of suggestions on what we might be able to do, and we implement them wherever we can. If you're getting started on an ISF-only basis, you have to file with a filer code. So if you do have a filer code, it's no problem. All we need is billing information from you. But if you don't, you can borrow ours. If you borrow our filer code, we just need to have a power of attorney on file to do that, and this process is available entirely online. So with that, I'm going to jump back to get going to the application.